Hello, good day, viewer. I want to show you how you can make money on Deriv. It is very simple how you can do that. If you can follow my procedure, I will not take much of your time, but make sure you watch my video very well. Now, after you watch my video, I want all of us to go along. By end of the week, we are making $500 each person. At least, I mean, in the next 10 days, I mean, $50 in a day. Once we reach $50 in a day, we close the trade. I will open a Telegram channel, a Telegram group where all of us will come together. We make the trade, we set the signal. Then once we check the signal, we trade. Once we reach $50 in a day with very low lot, then we close the trade for that day. In the next 10 days, you make sure that we get our $500. If you want to go along with me, make sure you follow me. The first thing, I will go to my MT5. My MT5. My MT5. Yeah. This is the indicator I'm using. It is only 5 candles out of it that I need. I don't need more than 5 candles. If you check it like this, let's check another. This is boom 500. This is boom 500. Yes, there's no signal here. This is 1000. Boom 1000. The network is very slow. Now let me quickly explain how this thing is working. Oh, yeah, good. Can you see it? This is boom. This crash 500. Once this green line crosses the blue line up, what it crosses, and if you check the second window and it touches the 90 lines, then you check the third window and it touches the 20 lines, stochastics, we are good to go. Once we meet all these requirements and it crosses the, and this thing is here, can you see it? It crosses here, then you enter trade. What we need is only 5 candles, and once you get our 5 candles out of the market with 0.2 lot, I bet you we at least it is 0.56 cents. If we try in as much as possible to trade and make $50 in a day, after 10 days we make our $500. You can do so. You see, everything will be quite okay. Now let's take another trade. This is crash 1000. Yes, this cancellation. Can't you see it? Okay. This thing doesn't meet the requirement because my second window doesn't touch the window. 29. Doesn't touch the 20 line. And once you do that, then we just trade only 5 candles. We get out of the market. That is what we want to be doing. Thank you and God bless you as you watch my video. Then I will release the channels, Telegram channels, Telegram group. I will leave the link. They click on the link, they will meet there, you will rub the mind together. Not only the Deriv and so many other things that give us. I bet it with you. By the end of the 2 weeks, you will know how much we are getting. With just only $10 in your hands, I bet it you. Just come along with me. You will see how God will surprise you. Welcome and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.